Hello, my dear student. In previous video, we have discussed the three-level laser system. In that three-level system, we have seen that equation N2 divided by N1 is equal to W21 WP plus S32 plus WP S32 divided by W21 plus A21 into WP plus S32. In that video, we have discussed the next part of or continue to the three level laser system. In this video, we have discussed that three level laser system continue. Then in previous video, we have discussed that equation N2 divided by 1. The next step are the subtracting 1 on both sides. 1 on both sides. Then therefore N2 divided by N1 minus 1 is equal to W21 WP plus S32 plus WP S32 divided by W21 plus A21 into WP plus S32 minus 1. Then therefore, then to solve that N2 divided by N1 minus 1, that N1 multiply by 1, that means this is the LCM process, that N2 minus N1 divided by N1 is equal to, then multiply of that W21 in bracket W21 WP plus W21 into S32 plus WP S32 minus, and that multiply that quantity into that 1, then in bracket W21 plus A21, next bracket WP plus S32, and whole divided by that 2 bracket as it is, W21 plus A21 WP plus S32, then is equal to W21 WP plus W21 S32 plus WP S32. That first we solve that, multiply by that 2 bracket, then first W21 multiply by that 2 term, then W21 WP plus W21 S32 plus, then next multiply by A21, that A21 WP plus A21 S32, whole divided by that W21 plus A21 WP plus S32, and this is N2 minus N1 divided by N1 is equal to, therefore N2 minus N1 divided by N1, then this term as it is, W21 WP plus W21 S32 plus WP S32, then multiply by that negative sign in that bracket, and these total term are plus, then multiply by this minus, then all terms are minus. There is W21 WP minus W21 S32 minus A21 WP minus A21 S32, and whole divided by that W21 plus A21 WP plus S32. Then this cancel out, N2 minus N1 divided by N1, then which term will be cancelled? That W21P plus W21 WP, then another W21 S32 plus W21 minus S32, then remaining term as it is, first term are the WP S32 minus that term WPA21 minus A21 S32 divided by W21 plus A21 into WP plus S32, W21 A21 into WP S32. Then next step, then this WP will common, and then next step are the N2, therefore N2 minus N1 divided by N1 is equal to WP is common, then S32 minus A21, S32 minus A21 minus next term as it is A21 S32, A21 S32 divided by denominator are same, that WP plus S32 and W21 plus A21, equation number 7. These are the equation number 7. Then the minimum, next step, the minimum pumping rate required to achieve population inversion may be given as, that minimum population required to achieve population is given as that N2 minus N1 divided by N1 is equal to 0. Then equation 7 becomes, then therefore WP S32 minus A21 divided by minus A21 S32 divided by WP plus S32 into W21 plus A21 is equal to 0, and that WP plus S32 into W21, that term will be neglected, and therefore that only we write in that term that WP S32 minus A21 minus S32 A21 is equal to 0. The denominator will be neglected, then this WP S32 minus A21 as it is, and that term transform that side, in that side it will be the minus, and transform that side it will be the plus, that S32 A21. Okay, and therefore that WPT, the threshold, T stand for threshold, that S32 A21 as it is, and that term it will be the multiply and transform in that side it will be the negative S32 minus A21, equation number 8. Then as S32 is greater than A21, therefore that WPT is equal to, that A21 will be neglected, it will be the combination of minus, but this A21 not be neglected because it is the combination of that S32, that then remaining WPT is equal to S32 A21 divided by remaining only S32, and therefore that WPT, W suffix PT is nearly equal to that A21, because S32 will be cancelled, and this is the equation number 9. WPT is equal to A21. Then that equation, that subtracting 1 on both sides, then similarly in that equation adding 1 on both sides in that equation. Then next step, and then adding 1 on both sides of in that equation. We have start in this lecture where in that equation, and adding similarly, we write similarly adding 1 on both sides, then therefore N2 divided by N1 plus 1. These are the equation number 7. Yes, N2 divided by N1 plus 1, adding 1, that is W21 WP plus S32 plus WP S32 divided by W21 plus A21 WP plus S32 plus 1. In that next time LCM, take LCM, N2 multiply by N1 divided by N1 is equal to, then multiply that term W21 WP plus W21 S32 plus WP S32 whole divided by, and in that plus that term, that 2 bracket multiply by 1, and that is the W21 plus A21 into WP plus S32 bracket complete, and whole divided by W21 plus A21 into WP plus S32. Therefore, N2 plus N1 divided by N1 is equal to W21 WP plus W21 S32 in that term as it is, plus WP S32 plus, then multiplication of that 2 bracket, that W21 WP plus W21 S32 plus A21 WP plus A21 S32. Okay, then whole divided by that 2 bracket, W21 plus A21 plus A21, next bracket WP plus S32. Therefore N2 plus N1 divided by N1 is equal to, then W21 WP that is 2 times W21 WP plus W21 S32 W21 plus that 2 times W21 S32, and remaining term as it is, WP S32 plus WP A21 plus the A21 S32, and whole divided by that W21 plus A21 WP plus S32, W21 A21 and WP plus S32. The next step, then therefore N2 plus N1 divided by N1, this in that 2 term W21 will be common, and that remaining term WP plus S32, that 2 term, then remaining term as it is, WP plus S32 plus WP A21 plus A21 S32 whole divided by W21 plus A21 WP plus S32. Okay, and this is equation number 10. Last equation number are 9, and this equation number 10. Then next term, divide equation 7 by equation 10 we get. Then equation 7 becomes, equation 7 are that equation, that N2 minus N1 divided by N1 whole divided, and that equation will divide equation 10, and that equation N2 plus N1, yes, N2 plus N1 divided by N1 is equal to, then equation 7 are that equation, that WP S32 minus A21 S32 divided by that equation number 7, that divided by WP plus S32, next bracket W21 plus A21 whole divided by, and equation number 10 are, equation number 10 this equation, then divided by 2W21 in bracket WP plus S32 plus, next WP S32 plus WP A21 plus S32 A21, and that divided by, whole divided by term as it is, WP plus S32. These are the equation number 10, WP plus S32, W21 plus A21. Okay, the division of equation 7 by equation 10, and therefore that we write that term N2 minus N1 divided by N1, this n2 plus n1, this n1, it will be the multiply, and that n1 divided by n2 plus n1, that it will cancel n1 get cancelled, then the remaining term that is equal to RHS S32 minus A21 minus A21 S32, A21 S32 divided by that term WP plus S32 W21 plus A21 multiply by that term, it will be the transform that WP plus S32 W21 plus A21 whole divided by this long term, that is W21 WP plus S32 plus, we write WP in that term WP A21 plus S32 A21. Okay, then cancel out that term, then remaining term are that n2 minus n1 divided by n2 plus n1 is equal to remaining term that WP S32 minus A21 minus A21 S32 and whole divided by that whole term W21 WP plus S32 plus WP S32 plus WP A21 plus S32 A21. Okay, then in that two term WP S32, and then in that two term S32 will be common, and that will n2 minus n1 divided by n2 plus n1 is equal to WP S32 minus A21 minus A21 S32 whole divided by that 2W1 WP plus S32 and that plus WP plus A21 WP plus A21 and S32 will common in that S32 and plus WP A21 as it is. Okay, then the next below threshold for laser oscillation, W21 is very small and above equation is approximately equal to, and S32 is greater than A21. Condition are below threshold for laser oscillation W21 is very small and S32 is greater than A21. Then above equation becomes that N2 minus N1 divided by N2 plus N1 plus L1, then we multiply that WP S32 minus WP A21 minus A21 S32 whole divided by that 2W21 multiply by that bracket, then 2W21 S32 and remaining term as it is, that then multiply this WP S32 again multiply, then A21 S32 plus WP A21. Okay, then this below threshold for laser W21 and very small, then cancel out that A21 will be neglected, that 2W1 do W1 S32 2W1 WP will be cancel out, then the remaining term are this denominator 3 term will be remaining. Then next step are that N2 minus N1 divided by N2 plus N1 is equal to, the numerator it will be remaining WP S32 minus A21 S32 whole divided by WP S32 plus A21 S32 plus WP A21. Therefore, N2 minus N1 divided by N2 plus N1 is equal to, this is common out, S32, then WP minus A21 S32 will be common divided by, Ata in that, next, in that term S32 will be common, okay. Then remaining term, first term WP remaining, that A21 remaining plus, but in that term no S32 will not, then multiply, but all three terms common will be S32, that means WP A21 divided S30 will be divided and common S32. S32 get cancelled, as S32 is greater than A21, then the term, which term? The term WP A21 divided by S32 will maybe neglected, maybe neglect, and therefore the remaining term are N2 minus N1 divided by N2 plus N1 is equal to S32, that means probability of 3 to 2, and that 2 to 1 will be less, and that, but probability of atoms move from level 3 to level 2, it will be greater. Then N2 minus N1 will be WP minus A21 divided by, this term will be neglected, this WP plus A21. Then cross multiplication of that term N2 minus N1 multiply by WP plus A21 is equal to N2 plus N1 into WP minus A21. Then therefore first multiply N2 in that 2 bracket, then N2 WP plus N2 A21, then multiply by minus N1, this 2 term WP minus N1 A21 is equal to same N2 first multiply by N2 of that bracket WP minus N2 A21, then again N1 WP minus N1 A21. All terms will transform of that side, that N2 WP plus N2 A21 minus N1 WP minus N1 A21. This term will be plus, it will be the minus WP plus N2 A21. It minus, transform that side to be the plus minus N1 WP minus plus N1 A21 is equal to 0. Then therefore, then cancel out term, that is N2 WP, it will be the plus minus get cancelled, then N1 A21 plus minus get cancelled, and that remaining term are N2 A21 N2 plus, that means 2 N2 A21, then minus N1 that is minus 2 times N1 WP is equal to 0. The next term, this minus transform that side, and therefore this minus 2 N2 A21 2 N2 A21 is equal to plus 2 N1 WP. This is the N1, this is equal to 2 N1 WP. 2 get cancelled, and that remaining term are N2 A21 is equal to N1 WP. Equation number 11. N2 A21 is equal to N1 WP. But that the condition is necessary for laser oscillation. Okay? Condition is necessary for laser oscillation to occur, that N2 minus N1 must be positive. Okay? That N2 minus N1, the condition necessary for laser oscillation is that N2 minus, that difference, that N2 minus N1 will be positive. That means it's required that WP is greater than A21. WP is greater than A21, and in that step this will be the, in that step N2 A21 is equal to N1 WP. that's we require the condition WP is greater than A to 1. Why? In that condition, the laser oscillation will be occur. This is the necessary condition. Then next step, in that the condition necessary for laser oscillation to occur that N2 minus N1 will be positive, and that केव्हा positive होणार आहे? It requires that condition that WP is greater than A to 1. Then let us calculate the threshold pumping power. Threshold pumping power. Threshold pumping power. Okay. Then that threshold pumping power required to start laser oscillation. Why it is threshold pumping power is required? That threshold pumping power required to start laser oscillation. To start laser oscillation. To start laser oscillation. That's why that number of atoms per unit volume per unit time from level E1 to E3, that is the threshold pumping power. That means threshold pumping power कशासाठी required say that threshold pumping power. Let's see carefully that threshold pumping power is required to start laser oscillation. Then the number of atoms pumped per unit volume per unit time from energy level E2 to E1 to E3 is WPN1. Okay, and if the pump frequency is denoted by nu and that power is required, that power is equal to P is equal to WPN1 H mu P. This is the equation number 12. Power is required, that WPN1 H mu P, that is the frequency, pumping frequency, and that threshold pump power, threshold only power is the power, and that threshold pump power is this PTH is equal to A21 N1 H mu P. That threshold pump power A21 N1 H mu P, equation number 30. But A21 is equal to 1 divided by tau SP. 1 divided by tau SP. Then this is the threshold pump power is PTH A21 N1 H mu P, and H is the, we know this is the constant. This is the constant. This is the Planck constant. Then next step, as there will be very few atoms in E3, this uppermost energy, that means N3 is nearly equal to 0 and N3 are nearly equal to 0, then N0 is the number of atoms for participate that lasing action. N0 is nearly equal to N1 plus N2. That means that N0 is greater than that N2 minus N1. N2 minus N1. That number of atoms will be greater from the difference of N2 minus N1, and we can therefore assume N1 is nearly equal to N2 is nearly equal to, that is the half of the total number of atoms. That N1 is nearly equal to N2 is nearly equal, but that N3 is nearly equal to 0. Then that N1 is nearly equal to N2 is nearly equal to N0. N1 is the population at or number of atoms in energy level E1. N2 is the number of atoms in energy level E2. And that N0 is the total number, and that is nearly equal to half of that total number. Then equation 13, that equation 13 is written as therefore PTH is equal to, that A21 is equal to the 1 upon tau SP as it is, and that N1 is nearly equal to N0 divided by 2, and A21 is the 1 upon tau SP, and that N1 is the nearly equal to N0 divided by, and remaining term H mu P as it is, and therefore we again write that PTH is equal to N0 H mu P divided by 2 tau SP, and this is the equation number 14, and this is threshold power for unit volume. This is the threshold pumping power, that is the PTH is equal to N naught H mu P divided by 2 tau Sp. That is the lifetime of tau Sp, and not the number of atoms, Planck constant, and the frequency of for that phasing action. But in that condition, that condition is necessary for laser oscillation. This is the threshold pumping power to require the laser action, but this is the condition is necessary for the laser oscillation is occur that N2 minus N1, this difference it will be the positive, that requires condition that Wp is greater for A21. That means Wp is the power of that 1 to 2. The Wp is the probability of atoms move from energy level E1 to E2. It will be the greater from transition or probability of 2 to 1. Okay, then we will complete the 3-level laser system. Next video we have discussed the 4-level laser system.